You're 3 meetings in with 2 more to go. The first one, already a blur. You've written down your notes, but they're of no help. And by the end of the day, all of it has to turn into clear action items. Sounds frustrating, right? But it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT for meeting notes, step by step, so you can turn messy discussions into structured summaries in minutes. Because right now, manual note-taking is costing more than you think. It splits your focus in the moment. In fact, 35% of people spend over 30 minutes after every meeting just summarizing what was said. That's hours every week spent documenting the past instead of moving work forward. So instead of spending more time summarizing meetings, let's fix the process at the source. The first step is to set your meeting agenda. Think of your agenda as the foundation. Without it, meetings drift, topics get missed, leaving everyone confused. So before anything else, create a simple agenda, just the key topics you need to cover. Once you have that, input it into ChatGPT. This gives the context for what matters most, so when it processes your notes later, it knows exactly what to focus on. It's like giving ChatGPT a roadmap before the journey starts. The next step is to record or capture the meeting. ChatGPT can't summarize what it can't see. So you need to capture the actual conversation, either through a transcription tool or by writing detailed notes. Most transcription tools work fine for this. Just hit record, let it run, and you'll have raw text to work with afterwards. But if you want a better way to automate this step, ClickUp's AI note taker handles it for you. It automatically joins your meetings on Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet, records everything, and generates a full transcript along with organized notes, all without you lifting a finger. Now that the conversation is captured, it's time to turn it into clarity. Feed the transcript into ChatGPT and ask for a summary. Once your meeting's done, paste the transcript into ChatGPT. If the content is long, break it into smaller sections. ChatGPT works better with focused input, so make sure to ask something specific like, what were the key takeaways from this meeting? You'll have a clear, concise summary in seconds. If you want to take things up a notch, you can use ClickUp Brain, your context-aware AI assistant. Along with summarizing meetings, Brain connects those summaries directly to your tasks, projects, and documents. Everything lives in one place, fully searchable and actionable, so you're not digging through old conversations. The next step is to extract action items. Summaries are great, but meetings exist to drive action. If nothing gets done afterwards, what was the point? You can ask ChatGPT to pull the action items with prompts like, list every task mentioned in this meeting, or who's responsible for what. ChatGPT will give you a clean breakdown of what needs to happen and who's supposed to do it. And finally, the last step is to organize and follow up by asking ChatGPT to structure everything into a logical format. You can even request bullet points or numbered lists to make it easier to scan. Once it's ready, you can share it with your team. If you want to take it a step further and turn scattered notes into part of your workflow, ClickUp Docs makes it seamless. Your notes are formatted and directly linked to the tasks and projects they reference. So when someone asks, what did we decide about X? You open the doc and it's right there. One source of truth, accessible to the whole team. At the end of the day, meetings shouldn't create more work. They should move work forward. ChatGPT gives you clarity. What was decided, who owns what happens next. But clarity sitting in a document doesn't change anything. Execution does. That's why the real shift happens when your notes connect directly to your tasks and projects in a system like ClickUp. Before we go, tell us what your smartest shortcut is for turning meeting notes into action. We're always looking for new hacks. Drop yours in the comments. And if you want to streamline the whole process, try ClickUp for free at clickup.com.